Jonas here, welcome back to the channel. Compared to other popular hiking destinations, Kilimanjaro often appears to be fairly expensive. Many wonder why the price is relatively high and ask if the experience is really worth the investment. In this video, we'll explore exactly that, going through a breakdown of the price and explaining why trekkers coming to Kilimanjaro should stay away from the surprisingly cheap expeditions. Almost half the price tag on Altezza Travel's Kilimanjaro expeditions goes towards covering the national park entry fees. Conservation and camping fees are payable per day spent on the mountain. Rescue and forest fees are payable just once upon entering the national park. All up, this tallies to about $900 per person for a 7-day expedition. Longer trips mean higher fees. On a Kilimanjaro trip, a large mountain crew of guides, camp masters, mountain chefs, and porters will be supporting you through your journey, carrying supplies and taking care of all camping arrangements. That being said, a large portion of the value of the trip goes to covering the salaries of these amazing teams. At Altezza Travel, we pay fair wages to our climbing crews, exceeding the standards set out by the Kilimanjaro Porters Assistance Project, a USA-founded NGO which independently oversees porter treatment practices of the member companies. If you would like to know more about the K-pop organization and the porters' work at Altezza Travel, you'll find a video dedicated to exactly that in a link in the description below. A week in the nature requires a lot of food for the trekkers and the mountain crew. Altezza always sources the produce directly from local farmers. Not only does this boost the local economy, but it also provides our guests with the freshest and highest quality fruits, vegetables, and meats. Safety is at the core of Altezza expeditions. Each trip is equipped with a surplus of oxygen tanks, GPS trackers, and fully stocked medical kits. We pay great attention to our first aid kits, which have medication for every occurrence one may face in the wild. The same applies for the oxygen tanks. Here at Altezza, we have over 400 oxygen cylinders, which is more than all other Kilimanjaro operators have combined. In addition to this, our mountain guides regularly attend various mountain safety workshops and are required to pass the Wilderness First Responder certification. For your comfort on the expedition, we always buy high-quality tents from the North Face and other trusted providers. Some of the cost of each trip is set aside to replenish our stock since we never use our tents to the point of total exhaustion. This ensures that we always provide safe and comfortable service for our travelers as our top priority. The cost of the trip includes lodging in hotels before and after the expedition. On our standard trips, you'll be staying at the good hotels, handpicked by our team for their service and quality. 2 of these hotels, Aishi Machame Hotel and Brubru Lodge, are actually Altezza's own hotels. For our premium trips, we've chosen 5-star lodges in the neighboring Arusha town. Your Kilimanjaro package also includes a return transfer to and from the airport. For these trips, we use comfortable Toyota Alphard minivans with air conditioning, Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and a spacious luggage compartment. Transfers to and from the Kilimanjaro trailhead are of course also included in the cost, and all transfers are completed by our own fleet of comfortable vehicles which we keep and service in our own garage. Apart from our mountain guides and porters, you'll also be supported by our extensive office team. Your travel consultant will be guiding you through this trip remotely, while our dedicated Tanzania operations team will meet you here and support you through every step of the preparation process. We'll answer all of your questions, conduct a thorough Kilimanjaro orientation briefing, and check your gear pre-departure. Our reservation managers will book hotels for you. The transfer team will make sure that our cars arrive everywhere right on time, while the Kilimanjaro supplies team will ensure that your trip is equipped with everything it needs for a safe and memorable adventure. Altezza Travel is a local Tanzania-based company residing right on the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro. Of course, we are a transparent, law-abiding company paying all the tax rates here in Tanzania, which, despite being a developing nation, are considerably high. VAT in Tanzania is 18%, corporate tax is 30%, and salary-related taxes and fees combined are above 40%. Then we've got different social security fees amounting to around 15% as well. When it's all said and done, the tax revenue system is comparable to that of the UK or the USA. Also, every year Altezza acquires all necessary tour operators' licenses to ensure that we're fully compliant with the local law and our expeditions run stress-free. Finally, our dedicated IT team keeps our planning software working round the clock to ensure maximum control and minimal errors in our operations. We are proud to be the first company in Tanzania ever to implement a full-cycle expedition management dashboard, from which we control everything from transfers to mountain supplies. When booking a trip with us, you'll experience this through the Altezza Family Board, which we use to collect essential information about your trip participants to organize a once-in-a-lifetime journey. There are some companies offering Kilimanjaro hikes at ridiculously low prices, sometimes as low as $1,700 for a 7-day trek. With almost $900 spent to cover just park entry fees, this essentially leaves just a fraction for the crew fees, safety measures, and other essentials. In practice, it can mean the following. Firstly, the crew is underpaid. Being unable to find any other job, the porters still sign up for this trip hoping to get some tips. This is neither ethical nor safe. To help stop this practice, if you select another operator for your hike, please make sure that it is K-pop registered company. You can learn more about this topic in the video in the description below. Besides the porters, not a single experienced guide would agree to work for low pay. This seriously compromises the safety on the trip. Apart from the mountain team, budget trek operators save on safety equipment, medical kits, and oxygen. In most cases, these operators may claim to have oxygen cylinders, but most will regrettably be lying about this and not have any, which is an unfortunate common practice in Tanzania. Finally, most likely the tents and other camping gear will be low quality or worn down, exposing you to cold temperatures and discomfort at night. This doesn't necessarily mean that booking a Kilimanjaro hike with a budget operator won't take a traveler to the top. In most of the cases, it will, but it will be at the expense and exploitation of hardworking teams putting themselves at risk. If something were to go wrong at 4,000 meters altitude, the poor qualifications of a cheap operator's team and lack of proper medical supplies and oxygen could lead to a very dangerous situation. With Altezza Guides and Support Team, you can rest assured that you're covered through each step of your trip, and by paying the slightly higher ticket tours with trusted operators like Altezza, you invest into your safety and comfort along the way, as well as the livelihood of the dedicated mountain teams. I hope this brings some clarity as to why the cost of Kilimanjaro treks can seem considerably varied, and why a responsible traveler should stay away from the budget operators. Thanks so much for watching this video, and please feel free to get in touch with any questions you may have. I will see you in the next video.